Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get always on top modular utility sidebar in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first let's just open the Microsoft Store and just search for Copper, and now you will see the application. Just click on it. Now just click on Get. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on Open. So now you can see one floating circular eye icon having is showing up. So if you click on it, so now you can see here tons of system options. So you can see here different options. So if you click on it, it will directly display here and you can move and drag it wherever you want. And if you click on this arrow button, where you can add notes here, and if you click on the settings, so here tons of options. So if you want to enable a screenshot option also, you can select, and if you want more settings, then you click on this more and you can customize it depending upon your needs. And you can select the spin window to top. You can select the focus mode, everything here, color picker, calculator, copier, and below there are more options here. You can resize the white icon size, spacing, smart pop-up positions, appearance also. You can change the color. You can make it always start when you turn on your computer, and you can change the orientation also from vertical to horizontal, as you can see here, depending upon your needs. So these are all about the settings, and you can move and place it anywhere, wherever you want to place. So I'll just place it here, and if you click on this I button, then it will minimize it to a simpler bubble-like icon, and if you click on it again, it will get expand. So say if I open one program and if I maximize it, still it will show up before the program window. Now if I want to do some calculation here directly from here itself, I can click, I can calculate, I can type anything from here itself. And if you want a scientific calculator, you can click on this FX also, so you can do some scientific calculations also. So there are more options here. You can take a screenshot from here itself, so you can see here, you can take a reason, or you can take a full screen also. You can simply take a recent screenshot also. Click on confirm to save it. You can pick colors from here itself directly, you can see. So you can perform multiple system functions directly from this utility sidebar, and you can customize it depending upon your needs. And if you want to exit it, then just click on this taskbar tray menu icon, and you can see here the bar, just right mouse click on it, click on quit, and it will get exit. So by using this cool tricks, you can easily get always on top modular utility sidebar in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.